Oh yeah, we're live.
Hey.
Well, I don't know if we're live. Why is there a banana? Did you just put that there?
No, I bought bananas this week. That's the only one left.
Okay. Today we're doing a fruit test. It's supposed to be following me, but it's not. So let's see if it manually works. Okay, there we go. Doing a fruit test. This is the last fruit from the one we did the other day. It looks a little dingy on the outside. This is what is this?
Some kind of pear?
No, it's a guava.
Really?
Yeah, it's just real beat up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I see you got my favorite knife. I know, it just looks like
It should go that way.
it should go this way. But it goes this way.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we have this little ugly critter right here. We might, you know what? Might need a spoon.
Oh?
Yeah, because I'm going to give you one half and I may finish, depending on how it tastes. Because if it's whack, I'm giving it back.
So give me the nasty stuff, huh? All of the nasty stuff.
We'll see.
Oh.
All right, so this is a taste test from the greenhouse. Remember the greenhouse?
Yeah.
And we didn't eat the one fruit.
Okay. Oh.
I waited for it to get soft, but it's
Never happened.
You and these knives.
Put it in the brown paper bag.
Yeah, I should have put it in brown. I didn't think of that. It's ooh, I can smell it. I was listening to a lady's live video, and she was talking about how you go into the grocery store, and she said you notice that you don't smell the fruit, you don't smell the vegetables, you don't smell the onions.
Right.
And I said, you know what, she's right. She said, but when you grow your own, it's like as soon as you bring it in the house, you can just smell the greens, you can smell the spinach. I don't know if you ever noticed that.
No.
Okay, that's what the inside looks like. This is super tough.
Oh.
I don't know what kind of guava this is. But you know what I always say.
Yeah.
You first.
Oh, hurt me. Ooh, it is hard. Oh my. Oh.
Told you. All right, don't cut yourself.
Gracious.
Yeah.
Be like you smell it.
Gotta smell it first.
Ooh, it smells good.
Okay. I hear crunching. It must be those seeds. Have you ever had this before?
No.
Okay. I was thinking we could spoon it out, but I guess not.
Too hard. It's like hard like an apple.
It looks tougher than an apple.
It is, yeah.
All right. What does it taste like?
I don't know.
Pear, melon, apple. You can't even identify it. Is it?
No, I can't.
Is it sweet?
No.
Sour, bitter,
No.
bland?
I would say bland, yes.
I don't like bland.
You don't like bland? Like you say, if I saw it in the store, I wouldn't buy it.
You wouldn't buy it?
I wouldn't buy it.
What?
No. It needs to be, I think, riper.
If it sit out any longer, it's gonna be brown. It was green.
Maybe it didn't stay on the tree long enough. I don't know.
Will you give it 1 to 10?
I guess that if it got riper, maybe.
But it's not ripe.
Maybe about a 5. But I give it a 1. Huh? What?
Some tough seeds.
Yeah. You're not saving the seeds, are you?
Unless you can grow it.
I guess I maybe put it in a brown paper bag, let it get riper. Oh. Yeah.
Happy birthday there, fella.
Thank you.
Oh. Yeah.
That's right. Today's the birthday, 24th March. Okay. I give it a 0.
Really?
This thing was sitting on my counter.
Yeah.
I give it a 0. If I saw it in the store and it fell on the floor, I'll probably kick it.
There.
No, I kick it. Let's see if I can score a goal. That's.
Yeah.
I don't know. It almost tastes like a melon type.
Oh.
Yeah, it almost tastes some kind of melon. That's just they need, wherever they got it from, they need to send it back and leave it. It's not edible.
Right.
The seeds are real hard and tough. I was expecting soft seeds, but that's a lot of seeds.
Yeah.
Ugh. Well, I'm not buying that anymore. All right, you heard it. It got a 1 and a 0. It's I don't know if anyone knows what this is. I think it's a guava. I'm not buying a guava tree.
No.
Have you ever had a guava before?
Yeah.
They don't taste nothing like this, do
Nothing
they?
like this. I don't know what kind of guava this is.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Maybe I research. No, I'm not researching. I don't care. I don't care what it is. All right, so there you have it right there.
The juice is good. You know, the guava juice is good, but this...
Well, you know
I
what?
don't know.
Juice it and then maybe add some banana to it or something
Oh.
to sweeten it, or carrots.
Yeah, right.
But nah, I don't even want it. You can take it.
Thank you.